In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Netlify with Supabase. So first of all, make sure that you're logged in into both accounts, both Netlify and Supabase. So inside Netlify, on this left panel, you can go and look for extensions. Make sure to go your team dashboard and click on extensions, as simple as that. So from here, you'll have to go to search extensions and type Supabase. Once you do so, you'll find Supabase right here. So all you need to do, just go and click on it. And here, they will show you exactly how to install it so you can connect Netlify to Supabase. But this is if you want to connect it to your own site. They do have an install button, so you don't have to worry about many things. Even if it takes you down, don't worry, you can just go up. As you can see, you're successfully installed Supabase. So now it's already connected. Supabase is already connected to Netlify. As you can see, connect your site to Supabase database with a few clicks. And of course, if you somehow did not see the install button, you may not be the team owner. So in this case, you'll have to ask the team owner to install it or use basically the manual setup with the environment variable that's shown here. And of course, after the installation, the extension, you can go back, as example, to any Netlify sites that you want to connect, and you can go and open the site's configuration, and you will find a new section called Supabase. So you can go and click on connect from there, and Netlify will ask you to sign in to authorize your Supabase account. So since I had no projects, I just deployed one from GitHub. And as you can see here on this left panel, I can go to projects configuration. And once I am here on general, as you can see, I'll find Supabase right here. Now I can just go and click on connect, and they'll take me to Supabase. Make sure to authorize it. If you're connected, they will not ask you to log in or anything. You should be connected, allow the permissions, and after that, you should be good to go. So yeah, it's authorized, and now your Netlify is connected to this specific projects as well, not only to Netlify. So you can do that with any other projects if you want to. And yeah, so you can now redeploy your Netlify sites. So the new settings basically are used. And that's it. Your Netlify site is now connected to Supabase. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.